Is Belize a stop on your upcoming cruise?
Join us today as we take you through the cruise port of this Central American country and show you what you can pick up for only $20.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and consider subscribing for more cruise port shopping videos just like this.
First thing we felt like doing was grabbing a bite to eat, but after sitting down at a restaurant on the port, we realized ordering even a plate of nachos would put us over the limit. If you're coming to Belize, brace yourself for high food prices. Just look at the cost of those shrimp nachos.
We were gonna go get some food, sat at a couple of restaurants, and then we saw the prices, and it's hard to justify spending $30 on nachos when you can just go on the boat again and get those nachos for free.
So we took a breather, had a quick swing, and then went souvenir hunting. We promised our daughter we'd bring her back a gift, so we found this surfboard, license plate, and street sign with her name on it. They all cost $8, and it was hard to choose. Stick around until the end of the video to see which one we chose.
Now, after making our purchase, spending $8, we had $12 left. We like to collect flags from countries we visit, so we were on the hunt for a Belize flag.
It was harder to find than expected. Many stores had Louis Vuitton and Gucci bags on display.
Ones that were obviously real.
But the cheapest bag was $25. While it would have been nice to grab an authentic Chanel bag, it was $5 over our limit. Plus, we already spent $8, so we had to move on.
Now finally, near the back of one of the stores, we found our flag. And it was a steal. Only $1.
We checked out and now had $11 left.
There were plenty of things to browse, from your average souvenirs, t-shirts, and even the statue of the Predator for some reason. This would have been an easy buy for me. Look how cool it is. But it was slightly outside of our price range at $85. So instead we bought this $2 deck of cards to commemorate our time in Belize.
While we didn't have a chance to grab a bite to eat at the restaurant, we will be taking a taste of Belize home with us.
We found this stand full of authentic spices, and the worker was extremely nice. She had dozens of choices to choose from, but she said her most popular item of the day was the coffee steak spice. Here's the proof.
No, that is one of my #1 sellers.
What's that, the coffee steak rub?
Yeah.
She convinced us. We didn't want to miss out on that day's most popular spice. So we picked it up, and just like that, we had $1 left. So we've been walking around the port and buying little souvenirs with a little challenge to spend $20 here at the port in Belize. And honestly, I think we did a pretty good job.
I think we've stretched our money. We've got $1 left, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna use that. But we've got some ideas.
Yeah.
For now, we're gonna, I think, spend the rest of our money and then maybe go back to the ship.
I think so.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Earlier, while walking through the port, we saw this very tempting sign. Lizard shots, only $1. What is a lizard shot?
Coconut roll, blue curacao, and pineapple squash.
Okay, let's do it.
With that enthusiastic description, we took the plunge, handed over our last $1, and
Lizard shot.
nice. Thank you, it's nice.
Thank you.
In summary, for $20, this is a look at our haul.
We grabbed a Belize flag,
A Belize-themed deck of cards.
a local coffee steak rub,
We ended up going with the personalized surfboard as a gift for our daughter.
and of course, the infamous lizard shot.
And that's a look at what you can get for $20 when you visit the port of Belize.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more cruise port shopping videos. Thanks for watching.